Good evening, folks. CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Fowler here for the 11 p.m. evening update on December the 14th, 2018. We have a weak front for tomorrow that's going to bring us some rain and snow for much of tomorrow. Tuesday, rain and windstorm possible, and it's mild for Christmas Eve as we get a sneak peek at what we can expect for Christmas. We can also expect some much warmer temperatures for much of next week. Look at the future weather for tonight. Mostly partly clear skies right through till midnight, and then as we get into the overnight hours, we'll see some increasing clouds and becoming mostly cloudy, and then cloudy by 6 a.m. tomorrow morning when you wake up. 6 p.m. partly clear tonight, -2 and -3 by 9 o'clock, and partly clear, -5 by midnight, and partly clear skies. And then by the overnight hours, we'll see those increasing clouds and those temperatures beginning to rise. -2 by 3 a.m., +1 by 6 a.m. with cloudy skies, and flurries will begin at 9 a.m. and +2. Tonight, increasing clouds, not as cold. Winds west to southwest 30 to 50, -5 degrees. As we get into tonight, those temperatures again slowly falling down to -6 by 1 o'clock, and then increasing to near 0 by 5 o'clock in the morning. And then by 6 a.m. we're looking at +1. Tomorrow, snow, rain, and mild. Temperatures of +5. Winds southwest 40 to 70 kilometers per hour. Those temperatures tomorrow not getting up very much. By 9 a.m., starting off with flurries and 2 degrees. By noon, we'll see a changeover to a mix of showers and flurries and 4 degrees. 3 o'clock, 5 degrees and showers, and we'll see some periods of rain by 6 o'clock and 2 degrees. And winds west 40 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow's temperatures starting off in the morning above freezing, and then slowly rising to about 4 or 5 degrees throughout much of the afternoon tomorrow, and then slowly falling down closer to 2 degrees by supper hour tomorrow. For tomorrow night, rain ending, then windy, -4, winds southwest, then turning west and northwest overnight, 50 to 80 kilometers per hour, so it will be a breezy night tomorrow night. The weekend looks like this. So tomorrow, showers and flurries, 5 degrees, a low of -5 tomorrow morning. Sunday, looking at lots of sunshine, a few clouds, and 1 degrees. And as we get to the temperature tracker, we are looking at those temperatures. A little roller coaster ride as we get through much of next week. Monday being the coldest at -1. 7 days look like this. Beautiful on Monday at -1. Rain and wind on Tuesday and 6. That changes to snow by Wednesday with some wind and 3 degrees. Thursday looking at sun and clouds and freezing at 0. Friday mostly cloudy and 2. And as we take a look at the sneak peek into Christmas Eve, rain showers on Saturday and Sunday with temperatures really balmy. 7 on Saturday, 11 on Sunday. And Monday we're looking at cloudy skies for Christmas Eve and a temperature of 4 degrees, says your CHMR weather break. And by the way, if we're looking at Christmas Eve, I forgot this, 1 degree by 9 a.m. and remaining cloudy for the rest of the Christmas Eve forecast. Temperatures between 1 and 4 degrees. Those winds at 30 kilometers per hour. That's your CHMR weather. I'm CHMR Chief Meteorologist James Fowler, and have a great weekend.